Hi, Todd Bourne here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, and it's going to be a hot week for the most part with some relief on the horizon as we look ahead to the end of the weekend. You can see today a dry and hot day across the Arklatex. This view from Marshall showing you that mix of clouds and sunshine that we've experienced once again this afternoon with really nothing too much as far as rainfall across the area. The reason for the hot, dry conditions, big area of upper level high pressure that's now centered very close to the Arklatex. This upper level ridge is going to kind of sit here and get stronger during the next several days, and as a result we will see the heat intensify with triple digits possible as we look ahead to especially Thursday. So let's take you through the next 10 days here as far as the overall pattern, and we'll show you when we will also see some relief. Again, the ridge will only get stronger as we go through the next couple of days, maybe migrating a bit towards the west heading into Wednesday. Notice the troughiness here across the southern sections of Canada. This is a cold front right in here, which is going to try to make its way southward once this ridge gets out of the way. You can see another impulse, another upper level low moving into the border sections of the United States and Canada. It's going to push that frontal system southward as we'll see the ridge get nudged to the west. Here comes the trough digging into the eastern half of the country, and here Sunday evening you can see the frontal system, which will give us a possibility for some rain, mainly for Sunday night. I think most of us will stay dry, minus the northern edge of the area during the day Sunday, and that front very quickly should move through the area Sunday night. And then we'll see some more normal temperatures as we go through most of next week, something you'll see in the 10-day here in a second. And you can see moving further that the ridge will try to reestablish itself across the southern sections of the country, but we should see temperatures remain near or below normal for, again, most of next week. Next few days looks like this as we check in with Robbins Toyota Futurecast. You can see the mostly clear sky across the Arklatex tonight. Tomorrow we'll see the mix of clouds and sunshine with nothing really significant as far as rain tomorrow. Expect a mostly clear sky tomorrow night. Temperatures again will be in the low to middle 70s. And then as we go through Wednesday, once again we are looking at quite a bit of sunshine and nothing as far as rain. Now I mentioned that rain for Sunday night. Don't expect a whole lot. Models showing that rainfall potential probably going to be less than a quarter of an inch pretty much anywhere across the region. One model did show a little bit heavier totals with earlier runs, but for the most part, if you get some rain, chances are Sunday night, and that's a big if you get some rain, chances are it's not going to be very much. In the tropics, we continue to watch Hurricane Fiona, which passed through or very near Puerto Rico. It's now moving across the Dominican Republic and will eventually move more towards the north as it has officially crossed the Dominican. It is going to maybe graze a few islands of the Bahamas, and then the forecast shows it becoming a Category 3 hurricane. Right now it's Category 1, as it will strengthen with max winds at one point reaching as high as 125 miles per hour Wednesday. As it moves over cooler waters, it should begin to decrease, and it looks like it will avoid any impacts with the U.S., minus the usual riptides that we see with a big storm like this out in the Atlantic. So no significant impacts from Fiona in the United States. So that being said, your forecast for tonight is looking mostly clear across the Arklatex. Temperatures will fall into the low to middle 70s, right around 73 in Shreveport, 72 in Texarkana, 70 degrees for the nighttime low tonight in Marshall. Tomorrow expect lots of sunshine, lots of heat, and plenty of humidity to go along with that heat, as we'll see highs for the most part in the mid-90s, 97 in Shreveport, 96 in Texarkana, 96 degrees also for the high temperature in Marshall. Heat index values tomorrow likely will surpass 100 very easily, and your 10-day forecast shows we get even hotter Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday, 100 degrees, definitely a possibility. And then we'll see those highs ease back into the mid-90s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And the real relief comes next week when highs retreat to the mid to upper 80s. Overnight lows will eventually fall back into the upper 50s to lower 60s. So all in all, it does appear as if we do have plenty of heat, perhaps our final big taste of summertime heat this summer season, that is, with temperatures Thursday close to triple digits, then some relief on the way as we go into next week.